Hello friends, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you a simple home trick that may help remove ink stains from clothes using our very own Dettol liquid. Many times pen leak in our pocket or children accidentally draw on their clothing. Ink stains can be very frustrating. But before throwing away the garment, you can try this easy method at home. For this experiment, I have an ink stain cloth, some Dettol liquid, a clean cloth and some water. First, let's take a look at the stain. As you can see, the ink mark is clearly visible on the fabric. Now I'll pour some amount of Dettol liquid directly onto the stained area. Make sure the stain is completely covered with the Dettol liquid. Let the Dettol sit on the stain for about 2 to 3 minutes. This gives it time to work on the ink. While waiting, remember that results may vary depending on the type of fabric and ink. It is always a good idea to test Dettol on a hidden part of the cloth first to make sure it does not affect the color. Now that a few minutes have passed, I will gently rub the stained area with my fingers. You can also use a soft cloth. Do not rub too hard because that may damage the fabric. You may notice that some of the ink is starting to lift from the cloth. Next, I will rinse the area with clean water. Let's check the results now. As you can see, the stain has become lighter. If the stain is still visible, you can repeat the same process once again. This method works best on fresh ink stains. Older stains may require multiple treatments or a dedicated stain remover. Overall, this is a simple and inexpensive trick that you can try at home using a product that many families already have at home. Have you ever tried removing stains with Dettol liquid? Then let me know your experience in the comments below. If you haven't done it yet, do try it. If you found this video useful, please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more helpful home tips, cleaning hacks and product reviews. Thank you for watching.